One of the first things you'll learn about selling on Amazon is that you cannot do it alone. You definitely have to invest in softwares that are going to give you the data that you need in order to make informed decisions when it comes to purchasing products. And I get asked a lot which softwares people should most invest in, because there are tons of them out there. And if you are subscribing to all of these different Amazon softwares, then that's going to be eating your profits. The team here at ProfitGuru, we ourselves are Amazon sellers, and we understand this problem. And that's why we made our own software. Before, we had multiple subscriptions that were eating our profits. And now, little by little, each and every month, we are developing our own software to be the only software that we need and the only software that you need to sell on Amazon. And today is a big day. We have been working so hard to come out with our next feature on ProfitGuru that is going to take the software to the next step. And we are so excited to announce that it's up and running, and you are going to love this. What we've been working on and what I'm going to share with you today is our ProfitGuru Chrome extension. First things first, you are going to need to download the new extension. And to get here, I go right to Google and I type in Google Chrome extensions. Then the first website that pops up is going to bring us here to the Chrome web store. Now you're just going to search ProfitGuru and you're going to download the extension. Once you have it downloaded, now it's time to head to Amazon. Right up here at the top, this puzzle piece is where your extensions are located. So you're going to want to come down, find ProfitGuru, and then pin it. Now we can start going to listings and checking out products. You're going to see the extension pop right up here on the side of any Amazon listing. And everything you need to know about that product in order to determine if it's good for reselling, you're going to find it here. So let's run through it and check it out together. Right at the top, I can see the description, the reviews, the weight, and the ASIN. If you're super new here, ASIN just means the special number sequence that associates this product in Amazon's catalog. So if we did want to resell this product and jump onto this listing, when we add products into the catalog, we would add this ASIN. We wouldn't be creating a whole new listing. We would find these light bulbs exactly, pop in the ASIN, and then start uploading our products onto this listing. So it's so great to have access to that in just the click of a button. Next, we can see the BSR here, which basically tells us how fast this product is selling in its category. We can see the current BSR and then beside that, the 30-day average. So you can see if this is something that consistently has a strong BSR or not. Next, you're going to notice the estimated monthly sales, and this is going to be a range. And that's because the number of sales is determined based off of the BSR. There is, in fact, no definite way to say an exact number for sure. But based on its bestsellers rank in the category, that gives us an idea of how many sales to look forward to. So for example, this product is selling anywhere from 31 to 217 per month. And that's fine that we don't know an exact number. Just having a range is all that we need to know. Next, going down a little further, you can get rid of your Keep a subscription because ProfitGuru and our extension, we have it right here for you. We can click here to view details. And now that's going to bring us into our ProfitGuru account, where here we can see all of the historical data on this product. We're going to be able to see across time exactly what's happening with this buy box, with the sales rank, with the number of sellers, everything we need to know. And that's important because right now, as you can see, we are on a spike here. So you wouldn't want to just invest in this product thinking it's going to sell for this price point if across time it's showing that indeed it does not typically sell for that much. So you might want to watch it for a while and see what's going to happen. And of course, you can adjust this to just see a month view, 3 months, 6 months, or a specific time range. Now heading back over to our extension after we checked our historical data, we can also see right above that the competition. So we have 3 total sellers on this listing and one of them is an FBA seller. That's good to know because typically a lot of listings are favored to the FBA sellers. So out of those 3 competitors, only one should be a true competitor if we as well are going to do the FBA model. Now, something I really love here is the profit calculator. We can put in the sale price, then the cost of goods for us, what it's going to cost us to get our hands on it, and this is a great value product. So we would just go to the website, see how much they cost each. Now, what's awesome about our calculator is that we have small and light. If your product is under $12 and 3 pounds, you can enroll it into small and light, which is going to decrease your Amazon fees, hence increasing your profits. So this is telling me that we are going to be paying $6.89 in Amazon fees. That's really important to know. And again, keep in mind, this is not an exact science, but it is a very, very close estimation. Now, down here, I can put in what my desired ROI, my return on my investment is, and then see what the cost price has to be in order for me to get that ROI. So if I wanted to get at least 50% ROI, then that means I have to pay no more than $2.07 for this product. If I wanted 100% ROI, I would need to be able to source this for $1.55. And if I only wanted 30% ROI, then I would be able to pay as much as $2.39 for this product. Now, let's say we were able to get this for $4. You can see that we would have negative profit and negative ROI. But we know that we can enroll this into the small and light program. So we're going to flip that switch. And now you can see the small and light does change things a little bit. And right here, the Amazon fees have gone down a little. So it's really nice to have a super accurate calculator like this, put in your desired ROI, and then you're going to know what your fees are and what the cost price needs to be in order to get that desired profit back. Now, the team at ProfitGuru, we do a wide range of models, and one of those models is wholesale. So with wholesale, you are constantly trying to seek out brands, what their names are, how many products they have, and seeing if their products are selling well on Amazon. Well, right on our extension, no matter what the listing is, you are going to get the brand information pop right up here in the extension. And that is huge if you want to build a wholesale model. So I can see here the brand is Great Value, and I can also see the number of products that Amazon has. They have 753 products in Amazon's catalog. Well, what about the competition for these listings? We have that covered too. I can see the average number of sellers per listing from the brand Great Value is 9.34 sellers. And the average number of FBA sellers per listing is 4.16. So what I can do now is I can start clicking. Let me click the brand name. And now it takes us back over into the ProfitGuru software where we can get even more information on that brand. Sourcing, finding products, and finding brands literally has never been easier. We knew what we wanted to see as sellers ourselves, and we have built that not just for ourselves, but for you guys as well. If I just wanted to head right in and see all of the products that this brand has, then I'm going to click this button here, number of products, 753, and boom, now we can see every product that this brand has available on Amazon. I do have other videos on the channel running you through how to use this, but it is pretty straightforward. We have your calculator, your historical data from Keepa, and a button to view the product. Then for each product, we can see the price, the fees, the rank, the sales, number of sellers, if Amazon is on it, the listing quality score, other sellers on the listing, the weight, and if it is hazmat or not. Literally anything that you need to know about the product, right here. Then what you could even do is start clicking on these sellers and then storefront stocking them. And you can also storefront stock right from the extension. So I can see the 3 offers right here that are on this listing. And right here, this top one, Maz Gear, they are the FBA seller out of the 3. So if I want to see the other products that this seller is selling, because chances are they're probably an arbitrage seller, if they're selling Great Value, they're probably selling other products that are also profitable and that I can get my hands on. So I want to see what those products are. Right beside its name, I'm going to click this I here. And now, boom, we're back into ProfitGuru, and now we are in the storefront stalker. That Amazon seller's ID is input automatically, and we have access to every single product that they're selling. So we can check out all of the data, look at the graphs, we can see what the BS are, the lowest price to source it at, what the break even would be, the sellers, how many are FBA. It's just amazing. Everything that we used to do in multiple steps across multiple different subscriptions and extensions, we have condensed and made it all in one place. If you have not tried our software out yet, I am not sure what you're waiting for, because this was the only piece of the puzzle that I personally felt like we were missing and we needed, and now we have it. But we are not stopping there. We are going to continually be improving our software month after month after month, and we're going to keep those updates coming for you guys. And we're always interested to hear your opinion. So let me know down below what you think of our extension. Does it have everything that you're hoping it had? Is there something missing? Because we would love to know know if there's something more you want to see there, and we could probably make that happen. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am for this new Chrome extension because it is taking my sales to the next level, and I think it is going to do the same for you. It is so clean, so easy to use, and so powerful. I hope this video was helpful for you and that the Chrome extension is going to be just as useful for you as it is for us at ProfitGuru. We've been working really hard to get this up and going for you guys, and I am so excited that it's here and you can start using it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.